Hi guys, here's Joseph, and you can also call me Han. And yeah, I'm really excited today because first of all, it's my birthday today, and it's the first time I've been successing with my own 3D printer at home. So yeah, let me introduce this big guy to you. And yeah, this is the small 3D printer inside the big box. And I enclosed it with this box, which was used to contain some clothes or, books. It's because, the PLA, when you 3D printing it, it might cause some bad smokes. Or maybe not smokes, that's to exaggerate. And some bad smells. And I think it might be harmful. So, although the sellers also told us that PLA won't come out any of the poisonous gases, but I don't think they are really reliable. Yeah. And here are several really interesting things I've done to this big box. The first one, I created a vent right here. I cut a vent by the knife and connect a really long tube from the box and all the way out of the window, and put a something seems like turbo at here. And here's a little screw button to control. Yeah, Yumi can hear that. So this is really interesting. And yeah, up right here it might be a little bit dark. And I also cut a small hole to let the fan here, because something on the board needed to cool down. When they are printing really hard, a lot of heat may be produced. And a small cut at here to let the screen line come out, so I could just control the whole 3D printer without open the box, so the smell won't come out. Yeah, again, this is the thing that I've just printed. Oh yeah, it's still hot. Like 5 minutes ago, and it just finished it here. Yeah. Well, actually, it started like 1 hour ago, and I put the speed slower because I need the quality for the gear right here. Yeah, and here's a single open door, single side open, and you could close it with just yeah. This is really nice locked up, and you can actually lock 3. But I usually just lock 1 because if there's some emergency happening inside, I just real quick open it and check what's happening. Yes, and another really interesting thing, I just recently cut a hole on the roof and put my PLA at here. And I hadn't bought a special container to set the PLA because I think the box could just do the whole work. You see? And yeah, that's the whole work. Really nice, really interesting.